All right, for this video, this is the framing shop that I got this amazing framing job done for a drawing of my wonderful little puppy there, Dottie. Dottie's on the couch over here. And it's a framing shop, a beautiful one in Carlsbad, New Mexico. And just to warn you, if you've watched a very long video I did the other day, it was hour and a half long. This section was included in it. So if you've seen anything on my channel about a framing shop, you've already seen this. Don't stay, peel off, go to another video. I hate it when someone does a repeat of something and I realize, hey, I've already seen this. So I wanted to warn you about that up front. And here it is, and I'll join you again at the end. Right there, Kristina's Custom Framing. 714 North Mesquite Street in Carlsbad, New Mexico. And we have arrived, and we've arrived without the camera overheating. I'm impressed with that. How about? Okay, folks, so here it is. Isn't it beautiful? And this is she did a very high quality plexiglass. So it you wouldn't know it's not glass, but it's important being in the RV. And then look what she did on the back here. She put these things on so when I screw it to the cabinet door, it won't vibrate. It's very, very thoughtful. And just this, if you look at the detail on this frame, it's just wonderful. And I'm going to take a minute and just kind of show you all the options that you would have here. Okay, you see this whole wall is all different kinds of frames that you can choose from, right? Custom frames, and then there's some stock frames that she has here. Really, really good stuff. And so I'm very happy, and I highly recommend it. It's and you know, I did tell you guys that some people just are a little reticent about being on camera, and that's what we have today, and that is okay. It's more than okay. But we do get to see the beautiful shop, and there's more frames here, different materials here. There's all kinds of metal and matte finish, glossy finish. Look at everything that's available. So let's take one more look at Dottie. And I'll tell you how much it cost me. It's $202.92 for this beautiful frame. And guess what? This is going to protect. Let's just put it flat. This is going to protect my wonderful drawing of my favorite dog here, Dottie, for a long time. All right. I'll catch you back in the car. All right. So I think what we're going to do is I'm going to go buy my favorite New Mexico fast food burger place. I just love their burgers. We're going to pick up a burger there for lunch, bring it home, eat it at home, and relax for the rest of the day. What do you think, Dottie? And all right. I already forgot what I did with the picture. Oh. It's right here. And that just it I think this drawing, this like pencil charcoal drawing, captures Dottie perfectly. And now it's protected. I feel very confident in it. And it, you know, what was happening was it was just on a, you know, a glued kind of or stuck to a piece of cardboard exposed. And it was starting to get like stuff on it. And she was able to, she didn't talk in detail about it, but I can tell she was able to go there and absolutely clean it up somehow. So I don't see any of the old stains that were on there. And it's perfect. And it's worth every penny for something like this that means so much to me. You might notice or not, I changed cameras because the 361 is still hot. So we're not going to be able to use that. So we're going to go to Lotta Burger. Lotta Burger. Um, and it's a great little burger place. Oh my gosh. I think it's so much better than the national chains. So let's head that way, shall we? And I know burgers, a lot of hamburgers, cheeseburgers in your diet aren't particularly good for you. I understand that. I get it. But I don't have them all the time. I have them occasionally as a treat. I did, I was at Albertsons and they had like the ready to cook. Um, in the other video where I had this, uh, one of the viewers really noted and was so impressed by the Mike it's a Michelangelo quote on the side of the building there. I saw the angel in the marble and carved until I set him free. A beautiful sculpture description, I thought. So my advice to you is if you get a piece of art that you know you want to keep forever and you love it and it's not properly framed, don't do what I did and wait. It turned out okay for me because I had someone talented that could clean up the little bit of damage that was done. But she even was a little skeptical when she first saw it. And it's been 2 weeks she's had it. So I know she put quite a bit of work into cleaning up the page on there. And uh, I got lucky. So don't do what I do. If you have something beautiful like that, get into a professional framing shop. And I think it's so much better when you have something that really means something to you to get a professional job done. Could I have gone to Walmart and found a frame that was roughly the right size and maybe cut it down and put it in there and have the thing done for $10 or $15? Yes. Would it have been not only so beautiful but so permanent? No, it probably would have been glass if it's in a trailer. If it fell, I had this amazing photo of my dad fly fishing, and I framed it in a glass frame, and it fell, and it wasn't just that the glass broke, but it permanently damaged the picture, and I could really never get it back. So um, please do this. Save, even if you don't think you can afford it, save your pennies and get it done. It's these there are few physical objects in my life that are really super meaningful to me. One is my dad's World War II medals. The other is that picture of Dottie. There are a couple of other items I can think of that much smaller things that I have as keepsakes. But things like the cameras I spend all the money on. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love these little cameras and they're wonderful. They're expensive, but they're not. There's no sentimental value attached to these. Doesn't mean I don't take care of them. It just means it's not the same. I wouldn't spend $200 to protect this camera, right? I will spend $200 to protect a amazing drawing. And the last thing I want to say is I want a special thank you to Luna for doing this drawing for me. Thank you so much. You don't know how much I continue to appreciate this gift. Thank you so much. All right. I will see you on the next video tomorrow.